James, this is your first time out here at NMHC. What are you thinking after a couple days here?
I'm thinking there's a lot more people in the multifamily industry than
It's a big world out there, huh?
than I initially thought. I think we saw for 2 hours we just saw a stream of people just walking through, and you think you know everybody because we're in a huge market in Dallas, but holy cow, there's a lot of people here.
Yeah, I mean, I think understanding what we know in Dallas, is replicable in all these markets, right? So all over the coast, Atlanta, Phoenix, all over the place. That you got the brokers, lenders, property managers, and you think you're a big fish, but yeah, you're a small fish in a huge pond. So.
Yeah, I was gonna say that if you're a big player in Dallas and then you come here, nobody even knows who you are, which is kind of mind blowing, right?
Yeah, I mean, we saw the CEO of all these public lenders, Fannie, Freddie, DUS lenders. They're just walking around like normal guys, and no one even knows who they are. So it's crazy.